So here's my baby Swiss chard right here. What is a seed? Library. Because the more you know, the more you can do. So here I am preparing seeds to take to the library because I read somewhere that they have free seeds, and I went, and I'm gonna take you along so that you can see exactly where I got them from. Now today I picked up some Swiss chard seeds, and I was like, well, I have extra seeds, so I'm going to take these extra seeds and so somebody else could grow some peppers. So here's my donation, and it's not required that you donate back seeds. This is just something that you can do if you choose to do. This is what I'm choosing to do. Donate back. So these are my seeds right here. And I saw on Google where they have a lot of places that have like free seeds, like at a lot of libraries. This is the form that I picked up also, so I'll fill this out in a bit right here. But yeah, these are the seeds that I'm donating, and I picked up Swiss chard, and I'll probably end up donating some more at a later point, but for right now, let's go. So I'm going to go in through the Bank of America building to Founders Hall. So right here is the library within Founders Hall, and this is where I'm going to go get my seeds right here. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're inside the library now, and I am going to walk to where we're doing the seeds right here. So right here is the Founders Hall Seed Library for donations. And as you can see, I have my seeds right here that I put in. So I'm just going to add them here. Let's see, they've got peppers, petunias. Oh, they've got some peppers already. So I'm just gonna add. I wonder if I need to staple it. Hold on, let me find out something. Okay, so she said just to put them in just like this. So I'm going to see some petunias right here, and then I also see peppers already. So I'm just going to add. Let's see if they have my variety of peppers already. No, they've got jalapenos, and then they've got sweet peppers. So I'm just going to add mine to the back right here. So now they've got some hot peppers too. Alright, cool. Let's see if they got some. Let's see what else they got. Sage, they got some Shasta daisies, snapdragons. What else? Squash, sunflowers. Oh, they got thyme. They got some more Swiss chard. Okay. Up here, they got dill. There goes kale. Okay, so out of kale. No kale. I wonder if they got collard greens. So dill. Basil. Carrots. Corn, cauliflower. Oh, sorry. Alright, well, this is what they have. And this is the seeds. Free seeds. So yeah. And then it got a little pamphlet that says what is a seed library right here. So yeah, if you ever want free seeds or to, what's that? It says seed starting sheets. Please take one. Oh, this is real neat. So this tells you days to harvest. It's kind of like a little guide that they have here. What's this right here? Seed saving guide. It tells you a little about the crops and all. So yeah, anytime you want to start some seeds or either just start the process of seeding and maybe just want a different variety or either maybe to donate, you can always come. Possibly well to. I've noticed that the local libraries have the free seeds, a lot of them. It just depends on your area. But yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright, Empresses and Emperors, I just wanted to give you a quick place on where you can go get some free seeds. And if you wanted to also share your seeds, this is one of the places where you can do it. The places that I really enjoy coming to is called a Spark House. They just opened and they do a lot of things for the community, especially like for community upbuilding and also the youth. There's a bunch of different things that they do. Let's take you inside. But what I said, they have like little places where you can work in. And so this is the inside of it. It's really, really nice. So it's like if you wanted to purchase a place to work for like a month or whatever, like they have offices where you can work out of. It's really, really nice in here. Really, really nice. And then also, let's just walk upstairs. And then they have 3 different levels also. I think they have a level like in the basement. It's nice little cozy area over here. And then they have places where they serve coffee and also donuts. So these are like the conference rooms that you could also rent out here. These are the personal areas where you can just come for the day, rent an office, have your own space, have your own quietness. It's just very nice. So I thought I'd just switch this up and show you something different, you know, because the more you know, the more you can do. Oh, that's nice in there. Alright, to Empresses and Emperors. So these are a couple of people that work at Spark House. Here's me. Hi. So this is Blair and Amaya, and they are so sweet, and they have a lot of sweets that they serve, so y'all be careful, but they're so delish, and they're so definitely very inviting and warming as well. So I was just telling everyone about like some of the events that you have here at the Spark House and how much you help the community, which I'm so down for.
Yes. It's more than a coffee shop. It's more than a creative work studio. We are here for the community, and we want to make sure that you all come in and see the space and be a part of all the different events that we are doing. Definitely follow us on social media, all from Do Greater, Spark House.
Throw it out there. So
follow us on all 3, so that you can stay informed and find out what's going on in the space, because it's so much that you need to be a part of.
Yeah, I was just telling Blair about the speakers, and I was like, I saw on Instagram where they had the speakers, and it's like super packed in here, so y'all come get some of these if you don't do anything else.
Beyond Amazing Donuts.
Beyond Amazing Donuts, which are so delish. So delicious. And here's a little QR code right
follow
here.
Beyond Amazing Donuts as well.
Follow Beyond Amazing Donuts. So they've got tons of social media, and like she said, they're very community based. So yes.
And we source our coffee from Enderley. So the coffee is
local as well.
amazing.
Local coffee.
Local, yes.
Okay, so we like local, supporting community. All right. This is my coffee right here. This is my little haul. I got my coffee and I got my donuts, and I'm on my way. Well, thank you again, lady. So right here's what I have from the seed library. Here's my little baby Swiss chard that I planted. I planted a few seeds, but this was the one that came up. As you can see, it's no bigger than my finger, but that's fine. It's still growing. Still, one is better than nothing, especially if it was free. And like I said, that basically was a seed library. You can donate seeds, and you can also get seeds, and it's free. So it's like give one, take one. So why not? So here's my baby Swiss chard right here, and as you can see, I already had some Swiss chard from my own personal seed, so I already had these, and plus I want to start growing more Swiss chard to include in my diet, because I hear it's really good for you. But yeah, it's like, why not? I thought that was such a cool idea, and I wanted to share this. But this is my experience from the seed library, and I wanted to take you along with me. And if you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a like, and thank you for watching my video, and thank you for those of you who have also subscribed. Just know that I'm sending love and light to you all out there as time progresses, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, Empresses and Emperors, goodbye.